Right, good morning everybody. My name is Claire Sillett and I'm Business Service Manager for MBC in Orange. Welcome back to our video series that we're running over the next couple of weeks, just talking to each of our managers. Hopefully you've seen our intro video which went live last week, and hopefully we'll enjoy the content of all the other videos that we're going to be delivering over the coming weeks. This morning I'm talking to Fiona Tyrie, who heads up our bookkeeping team here in Orange. Morning, Fiona.
Hi Claire, how are you going?
Yeah, I'm really well, thank you. So to kick off today, you've spent a lot of time in the last month talking to your clients and helping them with their bookkeeping needs that we would have been doing anyway, just given the end of quarter and end of month. In talking to your clients, what are you seeing as the most important things that clients can be focusing on right now?
Well, I've been talking to a lot of different clients, and obviously with those clients, they cover a fairly significant cross-section of businesses. But the clients that are probably being the most affected at the moment, it's of most benefit to them to get their files up to date. Yeah. They need to get their information, particularly for the current BAS quarter that we're in. If they can get that work completed, if they can get that lodged with the ATO ASAP, any incentives that they're entitled to or anything that the ATO is going to be able to give back to them, it will be able to be done at a quicker rate. Because it's done and it's up to date quickly. Yeah. So there's a usual cut-off period about the 26th of May, which still applies. But really, I think at the moment, with the amount of toing and froing with information coming from the government, I think just getting it done quickly it would be of great benefit to every small business.
Yeah, great. And I guess there's the added side of it at the moment, people really needing to know, where their business is at this very moment, what bills they've still got to pay, how much cash is in the bank and things like that. So getting things up to date is, certainly helps then to make some critical decisions about businesses to, what businesses do in the next, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 12 months. So, can see that could be a benefit as well.
Yeah, definitely. And, if people have a bit of downtime at the moment with their business, it might be a time to reassess if they're in a position to refinance and all of those sort of things. And as you would know, with refinance, the banks are always after financial information. And if your file's up to date, that just becomes a quicker process to be able to get to your financial institution so that they can get that loan done and hopefully approved straight away so that you can go on with what you want to do.
Yeah, no, that's great. And, obviously at MBC we've been using cloud accounting and specifically Xero for a while. And there's real benefits that, we, fully believe in terms of, for businesses now. What are some of the key ones that you see as being, a real benefit in this time we find ourselves in with relation to Covid-19?
Yeah, look, we're really lucky. We are incredibly up to date with Xero. It is our product of preference. We do use other products as well and support clients that use other products, but our preference is Xero. And because it's a cloud accounting product, it's already contactless. You can pretty much do everything through the file. You can email your customer invoices, you can email your supplier remittances, you can make your electronic funds payments straight from the file into your bank account. We also use a product called Receipt Bank, which then integrates into Xero so that when you make a purchase or if you've received some paperwork that you want to go through to the file, you either email it into your Receipt Bank file or you take a picture of it on your phone and it instantly goes through to your Xero file, so contactless again. So we've kind of already got those systems in place. It's really just a matter, I guess, of making sure that the client knows that that's there, particularly at the moment when we've sort of been forced to use this contactless systems. Just making sure that they know that it's there is the big thing, but also it's so very easy to use, and it's already all at your fingertips in your subscription that you've got with Xero. So, anyone that's unsure about that, definitely give us a call and we can step you through it. It's not a problem.
Yeah. And obviously we've got the end of financial year looming. That's not stopping for any global pandemic. Is now sort of a good time of year to consider converting and how do clients, get up to speed if they're looking to convert to say something like Xero, how do they get up to speed in training?
Oh, look, now's the perfect time to be thinking about moving to Xero for the 1st of July. It gives you a little bit of time to get familiar with the system, gives you time to get your old programs up to date, gives you, month or two changeover period so that you can make sure that you've got your balances correct, work with the bookkeeping or the accounting to make sure that any messiness that's in your old file doesn't come across to your new file. It's really a good opportunity for people to have a good think about what they want to do and whether they want to come across to Xero. It's certainly something that we would encourage everyone to do, and we use it as a business as well. So, and if anyone is in two minds about it, feel free to give us a call and we can have a chat about the benefits of one versus the other.
Yeah. Well, that's great. Well, it's been wonderful chatting to you this morning, Fiona. And if anyone out there's got any questions about bookkeeping or Xero, or how to get up to date, or what information they need to be up to date to access some of the stimulus package offerings that are out there, Fiona and her team are here. Our accounting team is here, and we'll have our contact details at the end of the video. But thanks everybody, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later.
Thanks, Claire.